In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add scrolling titles to your video project using DaVinci Resolve. Adding dynamic text elements, like scrolling titles, can elevate the overall look of your video, lending it that professional touch and allowing you to convey additional information clearly and stylishly. So let's dive right in and see how we can achieve this effect seamlessly. First and foremost, ensure that you have DaVinci Resolve installed on your computer and open it up. If you haven't done this already, you'll need to install the software by visiting the official DaVinci Resolve website, where you can download the latest version. Once you have Resolve running on your system, you'll be greeted by its sleek user interface. Here, you'll want to load up the project you're currently working on or start a new project if you're commencing fresh. Import your media files into the timeline, as this is where we'll integrate our scrolling titles. Once you have your timeline ready, direct your attention to the workspace, especially the tabs located at the top. Click on the Effects tab, a resourceful section for all your visual and text elements. Browsing through the Effects library, look for the option that says Titles. This is a helpful category in DaVinci Resolve, where you'll find various title templates to choose from. For our purpose of adding scrolling text, you will need to look for the Scroll Title effect. These are typically used for credits or any text that needs to move across the screen smoothly. After locating the scroll effect, it's time to apply it to your timeline. Click on it, drag it to the exact spot where you want your scrolling text to begin, and drop it onto the track above your video. Now you might notice that the text is too generic or doesn't fit what you're aiming for. Don't worry, this is where the customization magic happens. By clicking on the title clip in the timeline, you'll be able to access the inspector panel, usually on the right-hand side. Here, you're given the freedom to customize the text to your liking. You can edit the content of your text, change the font, alter the size, play around with color options, and even set the scrolling speed. Remember to keep an eye on the preview panel so you can see how your modifications look in real time. Take your time to tweak these settings until you're fully satisfied with how the scrolling text enhances your video. Go ahead and play back your video to ensure the titles scroll smoothly and meet your expectations. Once everything looks great, don't forget to save your project. With that, you've successfully added scrolling titles, giving your video a polished and engaging finish. Thank you for watching, and happy editing.